So I was shopping at Ross today and this sweater caught my eye. I have had my eye on this brand, Northern Angel, and here's what the tag looks like. It was normally $23 at Ross and it was on the clearance, and I realized why after a second. So I actually got them to come down 20% more, so I got it for $12. And the reason it was on clearance is because it has a little boo-boo. Actually, it's got two boo-boos. Extra ventilation that's not meant to be there. So let's fix this up and see if I can get it into working condition. I'm in love with this print, and it has a hood. Sorry about all the background noise. I'm still up to my eyeballs in toddlers. They go back to school next week. So I was originally thinking this might need to be serged because there's some stretch to this, but it looks like it was originally stitched, which obviously didn't hold very well. But I'm just gonna stitch it with my sewing machine first and see how that goes and how it holds up. That's a really good tip when you're learning how to kind of adjust clothes. When you find stuff like this and you're like, maybe I could fix that, even if you're just brand new to sewing, look at the stitches that were there before it ripped. So leading up to that rip, it was just a regular straight stitch. And this one's right along the seam line. So this is actually a very quick and easy fix. I'm just gonna use a regular straight stitch on this, match it up to the line of stitches as best I can because it's kind of hard to see, and just sew over that hole. So stores get rid of stuff like this all the time, but we as sewists see opportunity. And don't be afraid to ask for a little extra discount. You're putting some time into this, and otherwise it's probably just gonna end up in a landfill because who else is gonna buy a holey sweater? They should happily sell this to you for a discount. I thought 20% was great for 12 bucks. And when you reach the end of where that hole is, sew on just a little bit further, even up to like 2 inches. You want to cross over those stitches and make sure that they are locked in. While you have the sewing machine out, check for any other holes because you've already got your thread loaded. This one looks like I got the last hole on this. Okay, I'm gonna try it on and we'll see how it fits. Yee, I love this sweater. I love the print on it. I love all the rainbow colors. I just think it's funky and super fun. It's very warm and cozy. I'm really glad I picked it up at the store. Like and follow for more sewing tips.